Are you looking for the perfect Nikon camera to capture stunning shots in 2025? Whether you're a pro or just starting, we've got you covered. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best Nikon cameras for 2025. From advanced features to unbeatable image quality, these cameras are truly worth the hype. Ready to find your perfect match? Let's dive in. And don't forget, links to all the cameras are in the description below. Check them out after the video. Number 5. Nikon Z52 represents a significant step forward in the world of mirrorless cameras, seamlessly blending portability with impressive performance. Building on the foundation laid by its predecessor, the Z50, this camera is designed to cater to both aspiring photographers and seasoned professionals looking for a lightweight companion for their photography adventures. One of the standout features of the Z50i is its upgraded 20.9MP DX format sensor, which ensures sharp and vibrant image quality even in challenging lighting conditions. Coupled with Nikon's powerful Xpeed 6 image processor, this camera excels in delivering stunning detail and color accuracy, making it ideal for everything from portraits to landscapes. The Z50E2 also boasts advanced autofocus capabilities, including eye detection technology, which significantly enhances its ability to capture sharp images of moving subjects, whether they be friends at a gathering or wildlife in their natural habitat. With a continuous shooting speed of up to 11 frames per second, you can easily capture the perfect moment without missing a beat. In addition to still photography, the Z50i offers impressive video capabilities, supporting 4K UHD recording at up to 30 frames per second. This makes it a versatile tool for content creators who wish to produce high-quality video alongside their still images. The camera's built-in stabilization further aids in achieving smooth footage, even during dynamic shooting scenarios. The user-friendly interface and touchscreen display make navigating settings and reviewing images a breeze. Number 4. Nikon ZF is a captivating mirrorless camera that pays homage to the brand's rich heritage while incorporating modern technology to meet the demands of today's photographers. With a design that echoes classic Nikon aesthetics, including a retro-inspired control layout and a sturdy build, the ZF is both visually appealing and ergonomically sound. It features a full-frame 24.5MP sensor that delivers stunning image quality, capturing intricate details and vibrant colors, making it ideal for a wide range of photography styles, from landscapes to portraits. One of the standout features of the Nikon ZF is its advanced autofocus system, which utilizes deep learning technology to achieve fast and accurate focusing, even in challenging lighting conditions. This system includes eye detection AF for both humans and animals, ensuring that your subjects remain sharp and in focus, no matter how dynamic the scene. Additionally, the camera boasts impressive low-light performance, allowing photographers to shoot confidently in dimly lit environments without sacrificing image quality. Video capabilities are also a strong suit of the ZF, offering 4K UHD recording at various frame rates, along with advanced features like N-Log and HDR high dynamic range output for professional-grade video projects. The camera's intuitive touchscreen interface and customizable controls provide users with a seamless shooting experience, allowing for quick adjustments on the fly. With built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, sharing images and controlling the camera remotely via a smartphone or tablet is straightforward and efficient. Number 3. Nikon Z63 represents a significant evolution in Nikon's mirrorless camera lineup, building upon the strengths of its predecessor while introducing a host of new features that cater to both professional photographers and advanced enthusiasts. At the heart of the Z63 is a robust full-frame sensor that delivers exceptional image quality with improved low-light performance, allowing photographers to capture stunning images in a wider range of lighting conditions. One of the standout features of the Z63 is its enhanced autofocus system, which includes more focus points and improved tracking capabilities. This ensures that moving subjects are captured with precision, making it an ideal choice for action photography, wildlife, and sports. The camera also offers impressive burst shooting speeds, allowing users to take multiple frames in quick succession, ensuring that no moment goes uncaptured. In addition to its photographic prowess, the Z63 excels in video capabilities, supporting high-resolution 4K recording with advanced features such as 10-bit output and various frame rates. This versatility makes it a fantastic option for videographers looking to produce professional quality content. The camera's design has also been refined, featuring a more ergonomic grip for better handling during long shoots, as well as a high-resolution electronic viewfinder and a tilting touchscreen LCD for easier composition from various angles. With robust weather sealing, the Z63 is built to withstand challenging conditions, making it a reliable companion for outdoor adventures. Number 2. Nikon Zate is a powerful addition to Nikon's mirrorless camera lineup, designed to cater to both professional photographers and advanced enthusiasts. Building on the success of its predecessor, the Z72, the Zate combines advanced features with enhanced performance, making it a formidable contender in the competitive camera market. At the heart of the Zate lies a high-resolution, full-frame sensor that delivers stunning image quality with exceptional detail and dynamic range. This sensor is complemented by Nikon's latest image processing engine, which allows for faster processing speeds and improved low-light performance. Photographers can expect crisp, vibrant images even in challenging lighting conditions, making the Zate ideal for a variety of shooting scenarios, from landscapes to portraits. One of the standout features of the Nikon Zate is its impressive autofocus system. With a sophisticated array of focus points and advanced subject tracking capabilities, the Zate excels in capturing fast-moving subjects, ensuring that you never miss a crucial moment. Whether shooting sports, wildlife, or action-packed events, the camera's autofocus performance provides confidence and precision. In addition to its still photography capabilities, the Zate also shines in the realm of video recording. With the ability to shoot in 4K at high frame rates, it caters to videographers seeking versatility and quality. The camera offers various recording options, including 10-bit internal recording and support for N-Log, which provides greater flexibility in post-production color grading. Number 1. Nikon Z9 represents a significant leap forward in the realm of professional photography, showcasing Nikon's commitment to innovation and excellence. As the flagship model of the Z series mirrorless cameras, it boasts an impressive combination of cutting-edge technology and robust performance features that cater to the needs of both professional photographers and serious enthusiasts. At the heart of the Z9 is a powerful full-frame stacked CMOS sensor, which delivers stunning image quality and exceptional low-light performance. With a resolution of 45.7 megapixels, the Z9 captures intricate details and vibrant colors, making it an excellent choice for a wide range of photography styles, from landscapes to portraits and fast-paced action shots. One of the standout features of the Z9 is its incredible autofocus system, which employs advanced AI-driven subject detection to ensure that your subjects are always in sharp focus. This technology allows for precise tracking of moving subjects, making it ideal for sports and wildlife photography. With 493 focus points covering a wide area of the frame, users can confidently capture fast action without missing a beat. In addition to its impressive still photography capabilities, the Nikon Z9 also excels in video performance. It supports 8K video recording at up to 30 frames per second, allowing filmmakers to create stunning high-resolution content. The camera also offers various video formats and frame rates, making it versatile enough for different filming needs.